Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone.
Alaska! Hello?
Sarah,
Who is this?
it's John McCain.
Senator McCain, how did you get my number? I only hand it out to people I've met more than twice.
Listen, you gotta help me.
Calm down. You sound really panicked.
I am fucked right now. I am royally humped. I can't win this. There's no way I can win this. Did you see Barack Obama out there? He's like a goddamn monster. He's a speech-writing monster.
All right, where are you?
I don't know, some alley somewhere. There's trash, trees. I haven't slept in 3 days.
Okay, stop whining and ask me what it is you called to ask me.
If you want to be my
I can't hear you, Senator McCain. If you want to be president, I suggest you enunciate.
If you want to be my
Scream it, John. Say it.
Do you want to be my VP?
Say my name. Say it.
Susan?
Sarah.
Palin?
Palin.
Do you want to be my VP?
Yes, I'll be your VP. Now let's talk policy.
Policy? I thought maybe you'd just sort of, pick out the presidential china and maybe help with the Easter egg hunt that we do every year.
What do you think I am, a political tool that you can use to sway the base? I was thinking we'd start our day with a morning hunt, followed by a prayer, and then a policy meeting.
Hold your horses there, Northern Exposure. The only reason that you're on this ticket at all is because Joe Lieberman's a big Jewy juju bean.
Don't talk down to me, John McCain. A few years ago, I was head of the PTA, and now I'm the freaking governor of Alaska. I didn't get there by just eating Moose burgers and popping out kids.
You don't get smart with me, lady. I'm giving you a free pass. You got about as much experience as my left nut, which, by the way, I left behind in Da Nang. You're gonna be one heartbeat away from the presidency.
And don't you ever forget it, John McCain.
You're worse than Byung Ying, the guard who used to shock my pee hole every Tuesday.
There's 18 million cracks in the glass ceiling, and it's about to start raining shards into the hearts of the American people.
Hey, you think you're tough? I got a necklace made of human ears at home.
I'm going to tell you how this is going to go, John McCain. I'm going to put a smile on, look real pretty, which isn't hard, okay, for me, talk about being a hockey mom, and take this shit home. So you stop being a little pussy and send me that private jet, and I'll see you in Dayton. God, who wants to go polar bear hunting?
My God. What have I done?
Money!